Lucidchart is a powerful tool for creating unified modeling language diagrams, which are essential for visualizing software design, systems architecture, and other complex structures. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Lucidchart for creating UML diagrams. Create a new UML diagram. Sign into Lucidchart or create an account if you don't already have one. Click plus Create New Diagram and select UML from the diagram templates. Choose the UML diagram type. Lucidchart provides various types of UML diagrams such as class diagrams, sequence diagrams, use case diagrams, and activity diagrams. Select the desired type based on your project needs. Adding UML elements. Use shapes like classes, objects, associations, attributes, and methods to represent different components of your system. Drag and drop shapes onto the canvas and customize attributes such as name, data types, and operations. Relationships and connections. Connect elements using lines or associations to illustrate relationships between objects, classes, or processes. Use connectors like inheritance, aggregation, or dependency lines depending on your specific UML diagram type. Label elements. Add detailed descriptions, methods, attributes, and documentation notes for clarity. Use themes and templates. Apply consistent color schemes and templates to maintain a professional and organized diagram. Collaborate. Share diagrams with your team for feedback and real-time collaboration. Exporting. Save and export UML diagrams in various formats like PNG, PDF, or VZO for sharing or integrating into other documents. Integration. Easily integrate UML diagrams into presentations, reports, and other documentation.